Alright, so what we have got over here is the Simpsons season by season analysis. So you can choose the seasons over here, what season you want to check for, and then further you can choose which episodes you would want to do an analysis for. And what you're seeing over here, the first thing is who are the main characters, and what we have got over here is a network graph. Uh, and then you see these dots are representing, bubbles are actually representing the episodes. So episode 1, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, all these different episodes that we selected. And then these bubbles, blue bubbles, are representing the characters. And what we are seeing here is these are the characters who appeared just once in a particular episode, like in this case episode 3. Similar thing with episode 1, you have got this particular individual Selma appearing once, but no longer appearing in rest of the episodes that we selected in the above filter. And what you're seeing over here is these are the main characters, kind of people who get repeated time and again, episode over episode. So Homer, obviously, he's the main guy over here. So you see him as the main character, and then you've got some of the other folks. You've got Marge, Bart, Lisa, all those main characters. Play around with it, and then what we saw next was, once we identified the main characters in episode versus episode, we wanted to see who are the visitors who are coming to the Simpsons home. Because Simpsons home is the place where we have got the number one location where the shots have taken place. So here we see Patty, Selma, all these guys who visited or who appeared most at Simpson's home, depending on the number of appearance. Next, we looked at who talked the most, who is the most talkative. So no surprise over here, Homer is the most talkative guy over here. And I can even click over here and see what is it that he's talking more about. Similarly, I think I can do this with Bart, and then you can see Dad, like he talks a lot about Dad. And I click over Lisa, same thing, Dad, Bart, and Mom, and click over here and Marge, so I can see the main characters, what they are talking about. And even for people, for someone like me who's not very familiar with these characters, I can figure out the relationship between these guys. They speak a lot, Dad, Mom, and then you got them calling by themselves. So further, what we see is we have used an enhanced scatter plot over here, and obviously the x-axis is the number of word counts that you had, and then here is the number of appearance or the number of times the character has delivered a dialogue. So no surprises, Homer Simpson comes at the top, uh, followed by Bart. But one interesting insight that I see over here is, even though Lisa and Marge have appeared almost all the same number of times speaking something, you would see Marge has spoken far more number of words compared to Lisa. And that is for the duration that we have selected in the above filter. So we can play around with the filter and find more in stories and more insights. Thank you.